Welcome to the heart of efficient home cooking. Today we're diving deep into the world of the well-stocked pantry. Building a smart pantry isn't just about having food on hand. It's about unlocking culinary creativity, saving money, and reducing food waste. A thoughtfully curated pantry is your secret weapon for delicious, healthy meals, even on the busiest days. It empowers you to cook more at home, which is always kinder to your wallet and your well-being. Let's explore the foundational items that will serve you year-round. Start with grains, the backbone of countless meals. Long-grain rice like jasmine or basmati is incredibly versatile for side dishes or stir-fries. Brown rice offers more fiber and a nutty flavor, perfect for grain bowls. Quinoa is a complete protein and cooks quickly, making it ideal for salads or as a base for vegetarian meals. Don't forget oats, whether rolled or steel-cut, for breakfasts, baking, or even savory dishes. These grains provide sustained energy and are budget-friendly. Next, stock up on legumes. Dried beans like black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans are incredibly economical and nutritious. They can be soaked and cooked in large batches, then frozen for later use. Lentils, especially red and green varieties, cook quickly without pre-soaking. They are fantastic in soups, stews, or as a meat substitute. Canned beans are also a convenient option for quick meals. Just remember to rinse them thoroughly. Canned goods are indispensable for quick meals and flavor boosts. Diced and crushed tomatoes are essential for sauces, chilies, and soups. Tomato paste adds deep umami to many dishes. Canned tuna or salmon provides a quick protein source for salads, sandwiches, or pasta dishes. Keep a supply of low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth for soups, risottos, and braising. These items are lifesavers when fresh ingredients are scarce. For baking and general cooking, certain staples are non-negotiable. All-purpose flour is a must for baking, thickening sauces, or breading. Granulated sugar and brown sugar are key for sweet treats and balancing savory flavors. Baking powder and baking soda are crucial leavening agents for muffins, cakes, and quick breads. Don't forget cooking oils like olive oil or a neutral vegetable oil, and vinegars such as apple cider or white vinegar for dressings and marinades. Salt and pepper are, of course, fundamental. A well-stocked spice rack transforms simple ingredients into extraordinary meals. Essential spices include garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, paprika, oregano, and chili powder. Whole spices like peppercorns and bay leaves also offer superior flavor. Dried herbs like thyme, rosemary, and basil are excellent when fresh herbs aren't available. For snacks and baking, keep dried fruits like raisins, cranberries, or apricots on hand. They add natural sweetness and fiber. Proper storage is key to maximizing your pantry's longevity and preventing waste. Store grains, flours, and dried legumes in airtight containers to protect them from moisture and pests. Cool, dark places are ideal for most pantry items. Practice the first-in, first-out rule. When you buy new items, place them behind older ones so you use the oldest stock first. Regularly check expiration dates and plan meals around items nearing their use-by date. This simple habit saves money and reduces food waste. The beauty of a well-stocked pantry lies in its versatility. Transform dried beans and canned tomatoes into a hearty chili or a quick minestrone soup. Use oats and dried fruit to whip up wholesome muffins or energy bars. Cooked grains like quinoa or brown rice become the base for vibrant grain bowls, topped with canned tuna and roasted vegetables. An Instant Pot can quickly cook dried beans or lentils, turning them into delicious, budget-friendly dinners in minutes. Creativity is your only limit. Building a pantry doesn't have to break the bank. Buying in bulk for items like rice, beans, and oats often provides significant savings. Look for sales and stock up on non-perishables when prices are low. Consider the organic versus conventional debate. For items with thick skins or those you peel, conventional options are often perfectly fine. Prioritize organic for items where you consume the skin, like berries or leafy greens, if your budget allows. Even in a small kitchen, a functional pantry is achievable. Utilize vertical space with stackable containers or tiered shelves. Over-the-door organizers can hold spices or smaller items. Clear containers help you see what you have, preventing duplicate purchases. Group similar items together for easy access. A well-organized small pantry can be just as effective as a large one. A well-stocked pantry is more than just a collection of ingredients. It's an investment in your culinary confidence and financial well-being. By keeping these essential items on hand, you're always ready to create delicious, healthy, and budget-friendly meals. Start building your versatile pantry today, one staple at a time.